Hey everybody, I'm Natalie Anne and I have the beautiful Jayme Jo here with me today, demonstrating all the different type of techniques that you can use using the GHD Max. I'm also going to show you the different types of curls that you can use using the Platinum Plus. Before we get started on the curling using the GHD and the Platinum Plus, I just wanted to show you guys what the GHD Max can actually do. I'm going to be using the Straight On Spray by GHD, which also is a heat protectant, as well as the Straight and Smooth Spray. I'm holding the spray out approximately 10 centimeters away, and then we're just going to emulsify that product in from roots to ends. The GHD Max takes approximately 30 seconds to heat up, and it also has an automatic sleep mode. The iron is already heated up, so I'm going to place the iron in, and I'm going to slowly pass through the hair. It is insane, hey? Yeah. The biggest concern for most curly hair girls is that their curl definition, their curl pattern, and what they're going to do to their curl pattern if they are using a flat iron. So it's really important that you guys know that the GHD Max is set at 185 degrees, which is the optimal styling temperature, and it's not going to damage your hair whatsoever, especially if you're accompanying it with a heat protectant. I'm not going to blow dry Jayme's hair before we curl it, because I really want you guys to see what the GHD Max and Platinum Plus can do to curly hair without using a dryer. So the first curl I'm going to show you guys how to achieve is a beautiful ribbon curl. So we want to go in at the root on a 45-degree angle, and I like to turn the iron towards my body. The less tension on the iron, the better. The more tension you have on the hair shaft is where you're going to get that control from. And there you have it. That is one turn with the iron for a super glossy, shiny ribbon curl. Dude, that is insane.
Wow.
Next level. The next curl I'm going to show you how to achieve is a reverse ribbon curl. So we're going to go in on a 45 and work it away from our client's face. And you'll notice using the GHD Max, you're going to get a much wider curl than the Platinum Plus. So if you are trying to achieve a big blowout type curl, or if you're wanting to see something really smooth and really beautifully tucked on the end, that's when I'll be using the GHD Max. Next curl I'm going to demonstrate is perfect for a beachy result. We're going to place the styler in on a 45, turn towards our body, and glide the styler down to the halfway point, stop, and then we're going to rotate the styler in the opposite direction and continue our curl. So the next technique I'm going to show you is perfect for the lovers of the mermaid wave. It's going to create a super soft, almost crimped aesthetic. So we're going to place the iron in, and we're going to rock up towards the ceiling, stop, creating a crevice, and then back towards the floor. Stop, and keep rotating that iron until we get to the end of the section. So one side of Jayme's hair has been curled with 4 different techniques using the GHD Max. I'm going to proceed to the other side to show you the difference in the size of curl using the GHD Platinum Plus. Okay, so I'm going to be using the same technique, but I'm using a different tool. So now I've moved over to the GHD Platinum Plus, is one of my favorite personal stylers. And I'm going to insert that styler into the root area on a 45 to create a reverse ribbon curl. You guys can see that it's definitely a tighter curl using the GHD Platinum Plus, and that's based on its size in comparison to the GHD Max. So the next curling technique is the beachy technique. We're going to turn the iron towards our body until we get midway. We're going to stop, rotate our iron the opposite direction, and keep gliding that all the way through until we get to the ends. So the next technique is that mermaid wave. So we're going to go in and rock towards the ceiling and back towards the floor. And we're going to continuously rock that section until we get to the bottom to create these beautiful indents. So as you guys can see here, there is a huge difference in length. This is our GHD Max side. Curls start a lot lower on this side, and that is based on the width of the iron. As you can see on the GHD Platinum Plus side, is that you have your curls starting a lot higher. They are a lot tighter. I wanted to show you what both tools could do separately. A massive thank you to GHD, a massive thank you to Jayme. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you next time.